Hi everyone, it's your boy GregThatDude, GregDeals.com, coming on here to share some awesome deals with you guys at CVS for the week of June 9th through the 15th. So these deals will be using all digital coupons, so anyone can do these deals. All you need is a digital coupon account. All you need is a CVS account. If you don't already have one, you can just go to CVS.com, or you can sign up while in the store. But then you will have to create an extra care account online, so that way you can load the digital coupons to your extra care card, which is your CVS card. Okay. So as mentioned, these deals will be super simple and super easy. Anyone can do these deals. Okay, and you will walk out the store a winner in the end. For real though, what's good everybody? Your boy GregThatDude, GregDeals.com. Coming here real quick, you guys. I'm gonna go over an awesome CVS deal for you all this week, and they'll be using all digital coupons, so that means anyone can do these deals. All you need is a CVS card and to make an extra care account online, so you can load the digital coupons to your account. All right, it's super simple and super easy. If you don't already have one, you can sign up online, or you can sign up in the store for a CVS card, but it's better to do online if you don't already have one, so that way when you come to the store, you can already have your stuff loaded to your account. All right, and all you do, the same as any other store, come to the store, get the items on the list. After you get the items, go to the register. They will scan your CVS card. Your digital coupons will come off. You'll pay very little money in pocket, and you'll walk out the store a winner. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be super simple and super easy. But in the meantime, okay, let's take a pause for the cause right quick, and definitely be sure to show your boy some love if you have not already by hitting that thumbs up button and pressing that share button. All right, I'll wait. Okay, all right, you guys. So it's like I said, it's gonna be super simple, super easy. We're gonna be in and out, and it's still in line of the theme of stocking up for the summer. Okay, all right, you guys. So there's a promotion going on this week. When you buy 4 participating products, you'll get back a $5 extra care buck. Okay. So a lot of these products are basically P&G products. Buy 4, get back a $5 extra care buck. Okay. So the first item that we actually will be grabbing on the list will be Gain Flings. Okay. 16 count Gain Flings. They are $4.94. All right. So we're going to grab these and we're going to throw them in the cart. All right. Next item that we'll be grabbing will be Tide Pods, the 12 to 16 count. They are on sale for $4.94 also. So of course we're going to look for the 16 count to try to get the biggest bang for our buck. This is the 12 count. They all 12 counts, y'all. Look like we might be stuck getting the 12 count, so I guess I get the Downy one. So these are $4.94 as well. So we're going to grab one of these and we're going to throw it in the cart also. Okay. All right, you guys. So next on the list, what we will be grabbing is Gain laundry detergent, the 50 ounce. Well, the reason why we're getting Gain is because they have the 50 ounce bottles at CVS, which is a little bit bigger than some other stores. $4.94. That's an awesome price. We're gonna grab this and we're gonna throw it in the cart. All right. Yeah. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. You guys, so our last item that we'll be grabbing on the list, we'll be grabbing some Downy Unstoppables. The 6.5 ounce bottles, they are on sale as well, $4.94. So we're going to grab one of these and we're going to throw it in the cart. All right, you guys. So after you get all of your items, your Tide Pods $4.94, Gain Flings $4.94, Gain laundry detergent $4.94, and Downy Unstoppables $4.94. That will bring your total to $19.76. Okay, so here are the digital coupons that you will load. Okay, you will load the $2 off of Tide Pods digital coupon. Be sure you load the right one because there's 3 different ones. They all have size restrictions on there, so load the one. It might say like 12 to 14 count, 12 to 16 count. That one. And then there's a $2 off of Gain Flings. Be sure you load the right one as well. I just load them all. $2 off of Gain. Actually, yeah, $2 off of Gain Flings. There's $1 off of Gain laundry detergent, and there's $1 off of Downy. Okay, so that'll be a total of $6 off. Okay, so that should bring your total down to $13.75. Okay, so you'll pay your $13.75 and you'll get back a $5 extra care buck on your receipt. That looks like this. $5 extra care buck. That will bring your total down to your final price down to $8.76 after you get your extra care buck that prints on the receipt. Now this is store money that you can use on your next purchase. Okay, so if you already have extra bucks going in, then your out of pocket will be a little bit lower. So I'm actually going to use this to make my out of pocket a little bit lower, you guys. All right, and then what I was thinking of doing, there's another Tide P&G deal. Follow me real quick, cameraman. So check this out. There is another deal going on this week. When you buy 2 select Tide or Game products, you'll get back a $5 extra care buck as well. And those are on the larger sizes. So these larger ones are $11.94, as well as the larger liquid. And the powders, $11.94. You guys see these are all $11.94. There's a $2 digital coupon on both the larger Tide Pods and the smaller Tide Pods. So if you get 2 of them, that'll be around $24. $4 coupons. No, it's not a good deal. So that deal's not the greatest, but if you want it, if you had some extra bucks to burn or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to really go over that one with you guys because the scenario that I'm showing you guys is a little bit better value for what you're paying. All right. So yeah, so we're gonna go on to the register and we're gonna make it do what it do. All right. Quick heads up, the $2 off game coupon did not come off for some reason. I don't know if it was because of the particular scent of game flings that I got, but I'm quite sure I did grab the 16 count. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Either way, it's still an awesome deal, and I do have some alternative scenarios for you all to check out. All right. All right, and as you guys can see, I did get my $5 extra buck back on the receipt. All right. So awesome deal. All right, you guys, so there you have it, another successful CVS trip. As always, thank you all for watching. If you guys have not already, definitely be sure to show your boy some love by hitting that thumbs up button and pressing the share button. All right, my Facebook folks, definitely be sure to turn on your post notifications and click on see first in news feed, so that way you guys never miss another deal. My YouTube people, definitely be sure to show your boy some love and hit that bell so you can be notified every time your boy uploads a new video. And if you have not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, as always, thank you all for watching, and once again, I'll put a link in the description for the full list of scenarios for you guys to check out, okay, and use as a reference when in the store. So that's pretty much it, you guys. You guys have a great day. Talk to you guys later. All right, peace.